up, people? Today we're here at Zimbali Lodge. We at the Valley of the Pools. Starting to take a walk. Got a few ponds here. Got my brother there at the back following me. Other guys. Some neat houses up here. So I saw this place from a distance and I said, you know what, found a pathway and I'll come and check it out. Looks like a small mini waterfall. Well, that looks cool. I can see like a man-made cave in the distance there. I can see it. Couple of stairs. Man, this is beautiful. See, looks like a river. Not actually, I'm not really sure what's going on here, where that water comes from. Seems to come down into here and then down there. Seemed like a little man-made cave. Yeah. Seems a bit like a hiking trail. Let's go where the road takes us. What's going on here? Wow. Okay. Some ducks. Oh, this is cool. Looks like some sort of a lake.